What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. You guys know I just recently blew my hair out to trim it, and I ended up having my cousin trim it for me, and we took off more than we anticipated taking off, but that's okay. It feels better on the ends and everything else. So now I am getting ready to, I still got, pretty good length, but I would rather have health over length. So I used some mousse and put it in, that little roller thing recently, and took it out, but it was raining yesterday because I had somewhere to go, so of course it didn't last long. And then I woke up today and my hair was just frizzy on the ends, so I probably shouldn't have, but I did just go back in with my little flat iron. Sorry guys, just to flat iron the ends just a little bit to get them a little bit straighter so I can work with them and they won't be so bushy. And then when I did that, I'm not gonna lie, y'all know me, I went in and just a little bit, not a lot. So that's why you see a little bit of hair on me. I put on this white t-shirt just so I could kind of see where my hair was falling and the shape and everything, because y'all know me, I'm always trying to shape myself. And I said I was gonna go and get my hair shaped, which I still plan on doing, but I'm scissor happy. I just went in, I didn't do a lot, seriously. I can't even show you the hair because it's so minimal that it just fell apart. It's not like it's clumps or anything, so I can't even show you. It was just a little bit here and there where I wanted to kind of have it angled down a little bit. So anyway, hopefully my cousin won't get mad. But I'm gonna go in today. I'm using this Curl Origin Twist and Twirl Defining Buttercream. I've never used it before. It's supposed to give you definition and moisture for textured hair. I'm gonna use it to braid my hair today, but I'm also gonna use it to just give my hair a little moisture. And I probably used too much. I probably should have used more like a butter to do this style. All I'm gonna do is big chunky braids. And I got this idea from the Glam Twins, but I need a little bit of moisture, so I'm going in with that. But she said when she does her braid, now her hair is longer than mine, so I don't know how this is gonna work out on me. But she said when she does her braid outs, her chunky braids, she takes her hair up to the top and she starts braiding from the top so that you get the definition up top as well and not starting down here at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. And I'm doing this because I'm not going anywhere today. I'm going to be in the house the next 2 days because I don't know if I said it or not. I think I may have said it in a vlog, but I'm not sure if I told you guys. But we're getting our carpet replaced, and so I've been moving stuff, and the carpet people will be here tomorrow to install. So I'm gonna be here, and like I said, I need to pack up some stuff, move some stuff out of the way so they can lay down the new carpet. So I'm going to be sweating and everything, so I don't want to try to do a whole lot to my hair. Oh, that's what she said to do. I thought about doing one up here and one right here, but I'm just going to do it like this. But anyway, yeah, I don't want to do a lot to my hair, so I am just going to see if her technique works, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna get a little bit more of this buttercream. You guys know I love Curl Origin. It's she scented products. They have a lot of moisture, so I decided to use this. I've never used it before, so it's my opportunity to use it and review it for you guys. So she says start up here, so your braid will start up here versus braiding right here and the crimps start down here, if you understand. So I was like, oh, let's try that. And I guess it works because it would be similar to if you were doing a flat twist out or flat braid out, how you start up higher. So I didn't get even sections, guys. I can tell that I didn't get even sections, but that's okay. I'm gonna make it work. So when I take it down, my crimps will start up here versus down there from the braids. I'm gonna look like a 4-year-old, but hey, that's okay, because I'm just gonna have my scarf on, and I don't have to look cute for those carpet people. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that down there. I used mousse yesterday when I did the one thing to go out, and I was trying to use mousse as much as possible, so if I want to change up my styles, I don't have a lot of residue or anything like that, and I should be able to easily change up my styles. But hey, at this point I want some moisture on my hair, because using that heat on it to blow dry it, I blow dry it with my Revlon brush, blow dry brush, which I mentioned in that video. You guys may not see it because I probably will put it on my membership, but you guys seeing this. But anyway, I use my Revlon blow dry brush. I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. Just because I didn't want to have to pull out my RaeRae because it's packed away, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to get stuff out of the way so they can put the carpet down. We're not trying to pull stuff out that's already packed away. So I used it. So that did have some heat, and then of course I flat ironed my hair, so then that's some heat. And then I went over to my ends today, so that's some heat. So I just need some moisture in my hair, and I probably did too much heat, but hey, I needed it. So you shouldn't borrow hair, but I'm gonna borrow just because my pieces were so little. And like I said, it's to get my hair out of my way, add some moisture to it, and hopefully when I take it down, it'll have a little bit of body and crimps to it. So that's all. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it flat ironed, or not necessarily flat ironed, but straightened out or blown out, because it's more work to me. Trying to do all this is more work than me having a wash and go. I put my bonnet on or my lock sock on, and I keep it moving. And then the next day I get up and just fluff it out. Then I put it back on, and the next day I get up and I fluff it out. I don't have to do all this braiding and flexi rods and doing all kind of stuff to keep my hair straight and blown out and from reverting. Guys, remember I always say that this is my longest side of my hair, and it's the side that is not as temperamental. Well, after blowing it out and everything and looking at it and everything, I'm like, well, shoot, this side is thicker. It feels thicker for some reason, when I actually thought it was thinner. It used to be thicker, but then it started feeling thinner because it was hanging longer and all that. And this side over here is the coarser side, so it tends to feel a little bit thicker. But when I blew it out, I was like, well, this side over here is the thickest side and probably the healthiest. Not that my hair is not healthy, but you know what I'm saying. It's like, it's the longer side. Hold on. All right, sorry guys. So I didn't hardly use any of this at all. This is a defining buttercream, so it's very whipped like or thin. It's not a real thick cream. It smells good. It's very light, but it definitely feels like it adds moisture. So we're gonna see if it adds definition. Look, I forgot a little piece, and I'm not taking this down to redo it. And see, this side does look longer. However, she evened me out on both sides. Let me just take this down and redo it. This side shrinks up more. It's my coarser side. This side shrinks up more. It always looks a little bit shorter than the other side. So, did I get it? I think that And I think I started this braid up a little higher than this braid. I probably should have started this one up here, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, so guys, look at that. Anyway, y'all know me. This is not my forte. So I'm doing the best I can. And guys, you probably can do this with mousse, you know, as well. But I just wanted, like I said, I just wanted to try out this buttercream so I can see how it works and let you guys know. Okay, so there we go. Those are my 4 braids. Yeah, this one is starting to draw up too, as opposed to this one, but they are even. They are the same length. But one side, this side just draws up more than this side. So that's the nature of my hair, and I just work with it. So now I'm just gonna put a scarf on, and I'm just gonna let these braids stay in today. Tomorrow, while the carpet people are here, and take it out on Friday. We'll see. I'm gonna play it by ear. Either way, you're gonna see me take them out and see what the hair looks like, and I'm going to give you a review on the buttercream. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna take these chunky twists out. Remember I said I tried these chunky twist based on the Glam Twins. One of them, who was it? I think it was Kelsey. I think Kelsey did it. And so, yeah, her hair is very different than mine. It's really long. So hers came out really cute. But I said, well, shoot, I'll try it too. I needed to do something with this hair. It was straight. So anyway, I wasn't gonna put on any makeup and stuff, but then I said, shoot, this hairstyle might look better with a little bit of something on my face. And I really need to get rid of my little facial hairs and stuff, but today ain't the day. So y'all take me like I am. Okay, so I also wanted to take it down because I wanted to go ahead and give my initial thoughts on the Donna's Recipe vanilla cream mousse, because I used it to put the twist in. So I wanted to let y'all know how I feel about that too. Taking this down, my fingernails are snagging on my hair, so let me just clip this real quick. I know this is a different video, guys. I know y'all like, she all over the place. This is more vlog style than regular sit down video, but I'm sorry. Real life. Sometimes we go through this stuff when we're making the videos and have to do this anyway, and then we cut it out. But I'm just leaving it in, and who knows, it might get cut out too. It just depends. But I just got to get done. I don't have time to be doing a whole lot. So let me get this out, guys. It's cold today. As you can see, I got a sweater on. So yeah, so now I'm just going to kind of pull it apart. So my hair is not as long as hers, and I just cut it, y'all know. So it doesn't have the weight to come down from having it up here, so mine might have to take some time to fall. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I am back, and I'm in my PJs because I was getting ready to film another video where I'm doing something different to my hair before I go to bed. And I realized that in this video, when I came back and showed my takedown, I talked about the wrong product. So I said that I used the Donna's Recipe to put in the chunky twist. I didn't. So therefore, I have to come on and clarify and fix that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show right over here. I'll try to put it right here. Me taking down the braids and everything without the sound. If you see me point to this, ignore it. It wasn't the Donna's Recipe Mousse that did the braid out. It was the Curl Origin Twist and Twirl Defining Buttercream. So sorry about that. But so I want to get on real quick and just close out this video by telling you about this. So I tried the buttercream. I mean, it just has a light smell, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing real sweet or anything like that. It's a very light consistency, which I showed you previously, and I felt like it did well. I feel like my hair is soft, my hair is fluffy. It did have a little bit of hold on the ends, which I talked about, and I didn't use a lot of this. So I think if you know, because I just put a little bit on in a big old, you know, section and braided it up. If I was doing smaller sections like a twist out and I was putting more on each and every twist, you may even get more definition is what I'm saying, or a little bit more hold. But it's still going to be soft. There is not going to be a crunch, but my hair feels really soft and really moisturized. So yesterday I took it down, which you saw in the clip. Went out into the elements, and because AJ had a game, but I put my hair back in a ponytail when I got there and put a baseball cap on. So my hair has been, you know, pulled and tugged and everything else, right? So when I went to bed last night, I put it in the same 4 chunky twist again. I didn't add any other product to it at all. I just grabbed some of my hair, detangled it a little bit, made sure the ends weren't real matted or anything, and I just went and braided it back up. Okay, then I took it down today, and this is the results, and now it's later in the day, and I'm getting ready to go to bed. Not necessarily go to sleep, but I'm getting ready for bed. I've taken my shower, I put on my night clothes, and I'm getting ready to hunker down and do a different video to do something to this hair. But I wanted to get on and clarify with this. So I will say that I like this. I want to try it again. I want to try it for a regular twist out or flat twist out where I'm using a little bit more, see if I get any different results. But if you're someone who likes lighter products but you still want the moisture, then I think this is a good product. I don't feel any greasiness, so it doesn't have, like, you know, some products or twist creams can have like this coated feeling left, or you can feel a little bit of grease on your hands and everything. I don't feel that at all on my hair. My hair feels very soft and very much like hair and very touchable. It doesn't have a lot of shine to it. It just looks healthy. I'm okay with that. So yeah, I like this and I'm anxious to try it again. So these are my initial thoughts on the Curl Origin Twist and Twirl Defining Buttercream. Okay, so I will come back with that a little bit later to let you know what I think about it a little bit later. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on and apologize. I didn't want to just scrap the footage altogether, so forgive me. But hey, this is what it looked like yesterday. This is what it looks like today. I'm going to do a totally different style for later because I want to get as many styles as I can out of this blown out hair. So there you go. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, leave them in the comments section below. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.